Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got Happy Birthday Amanda at Rainbow 3 Hair. This is an Instagram collaboration hosted by Tinkerbell 1970s and Nail Astrophic. Our theme was birthday nails. Now I've started mine off with Nailtique's Formula 2 and I'll be using Nail Hoot Music City USA. Another one from the Polish and Beauty Expo in Nashville from last year. We're almost to the end of those. I've got like 6 more to use. So here we go. Beautiful pink, glittery, and it's got so much gold shimmer in it. And then it's got those chunks of like silver hollow looking glitters. Oh my goodness. Love it. I've got 2 coats of that down, and now I'm going to top these with I&M's Out the Door. Now, if you're really funny about visible nail line, this one definitely could have used a 3rd coat. I was not worried about that. So blingy. Look at that. I'm going to be using Bundle Monster BM-H19. Got a bunch of birthday images on it. And I'll be stamping with Basis Loaded Lacquer on the black. And we've got out a Konad stamper and a Maniology scraper today. Just going to plop out some images and see how this goes. So I do use a piece of tape to pull up any excess that I don't want, whether it be on my skin or on the nail. I just, find that easy. I clean off my stamper on a lint roller and then find another image to play with. This is an older plate, of course, because it's got Bundle Monster on it instead of Maniology, but same company. Okay, that one didn't pick up really well, so I'm going to clean it off and try this again. Sometimes you do have to do that. I mean, you might have to use... Okay, now, what I'm doing here is I'm trading scraper cards. So, from the Maniology to a more stiffer, firmer scraper card. And that turned out better, so you just got to play with it. And we're just plonking along here. Before I forget, I should have a list of other participants that joined the collab listed down in the description box, as well as a hashtag if you would rather just go click on the hashtag and or go to Instagram and type that in to see all the beautiful manicures for Happy Birthday Amanda, and we'll much appreciate it if you'd go check those out. And this is just like those little banners that you hang up at birthday parties. Out of frame, there we go. I am going to clean this plate with pure acetone. Flip that cotton ball over to the clean side. See if we can get this all cleaned up here. And the little mat too. Alrighty, I'm going to hop in with a piece of tape and try to get up some of this excess. I did not put any oil or lotion or Burt's Bees or anything on, but it is coming up pretty well. And now I'm going to go in with my little cleanup brush and some acetone. I am using my IMK cleanup brush. I do like it. It's taken me a while to get used to it because it is very different than my old favorite. So, but it is a very nice cleanup brush. Loving it. All right. I'm going to top these with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. Going to seal that stamping in. And now we're going to finish this one off with some Posh Top Coat. And these, I think, turned out pretty well. So here is my manicure. I hope you enjoyed this one. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.